1 cup flour, 1/3 glass sugar, 2 mashed bananas, 2 egg whites, 2 egg yolks, half cup oil. 1 glass equals 318 gram flour, 1/3 glass sugar. Beat egg white dot until fluffy. Egg yolks. Beat. Add oil. Pour sugar. Beat. To mashed bananas, one half cup of milk, 1 tsp vanilla essence, pinch of green food color, flour, 1 tsp baking powder, 1/4 tsp baking soda, 1/2 tsp salt. Mix well. Cake mixture is ready. Grease the pan before pouring the mixture. Garnish with raisins. Bake at 180 for 45 minutes. Cake is ready. The ready cake weight dot is almost 1.9 pounds. Moist, soft banana cake is ready. This cake is literally so yummy, you should try it.